Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Tell me. Why are you crying? Since you woke up, you have been crying. Why? You just want me to carry you? Hmm? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? He has eaten. Hmm? Why? Hmm. Don't do that. Why are you crying now? Hmm? Don't cry. Don't cry. Anybody will won't fight you. Don't cry again, okay? I'm here for you. I don't know why he's crying. Since morning. I don't know. Don't do that. Don't do that. Hmm? Be a big boy. Hmm? Be a good boy and a big boy. You know you're a big boy. Hmm? Yeah, good. Don't cry again, okay? Promise me. You're not gonna cry again, right? You're not gonna cry again. You're a big boy. Sorry, okay? Go and meet your sister.